everyone, this video is all about planting succulents. Succulents need a very less amount of water and well drained soil. They need less sunlight and shady area. Succulents love to take sunbath in morning sunlight. While potting them, remember to keep some pebbles and sand at the bottom of the pot. It helps in well drainage. I was failed to survive this English ivy unfortunately, though I have tried a various method to survive it, but I couldn't. I have tried leaf propagation method to multiply their number, and I am quite successful in this. You can try leaf propagation in Echeverias and sedum varieties. I will recommend not to use cocoa peat in their soil mixture. You can use river sand in their soil mixture. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned with me. Bye.